Hey guys, Sandra back with another video, and today we're going to talk about 10 easy ways to make money online. These are beginner friendly and there's no experience needed. Want to make money online but don't know where to start? Today I'm sharing 10 beginner friendly ways to earn from home. Some of these require zero upfront investment. Stay until the end because number 10 is one of the easiest ways to make money online that most people overlook. Now, the first way that you can make money online is selling AI-generated children's stories. If you love storytelling, this is the one for you. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to write short children's books and sell them as PDF downloads on Etsy or Amazon KDP. This is how it works. You ask ChatGPT to create a short, fun children's story. Use Canva to design cute, colorful pages. Upload the book to Etsy for instant downloads or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, known as KDP. Earn passive income whenever someone buys your book. The earning potentials for this is $100 to $1,000 per month, depending on sales. This is beginner friendly. No writing skills is needed, just your creativity. Okay, number 2 is selling Notion templates. Notion is a super popular productivity tool, and people will pay for well-designed templates to organize their life, business, or finances. This is how to get started. Sign up for Notion for free. Create a template, like a budget planner or a daily journal. Sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. The earning potentials is $10 to $50 per template. The best part is you make it once and sell it forever. Now that's passive income. Number 3 is flipping domain names. Have you ever thought about buying and selling website names? Businesses pay thousands for the right domain name. Here's how to get started. Use GoDaddy auctions or Namecheap to find cheap domain names. Look for short brandable names. Sell them for a profit on Flipper or Afternic. The earning potentials for this is some domains sell for $50 while others go for thousands. A domain that you buy for $10 could sell for $1,000 plus if it's catchy. Number 4, selling AI generated art. You don't need to be an artist to sell digital art anymore. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can create stunning designs that people buy as posters, phone wallpapers, or digital prints. Here's how to get started. Use Midjourney. It's a Discord-based AI tool to generate the art. Sell the art on Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. Offer custom AI art for extra income. People are already making $500 plus per month selling AI art prints. Number 5. And before I mention number 5, please like if this resonates with you and you enjoy watching this type of video. Number 5 is renting out digital products. Instead of selling, why not rent out digital products? Things like fitness guides, business templates, and planners can be rented for a monthly fee. Steps to get started. Create a digital product. planner, ebook, guide, those types of things, listed on Gumroad with a subscription model. Customers pay a small fee monthly to access it. This earning potential can be anywhere from $10 to $30 a month per customer, but even if only 50 people pay you $5 per month, that's $250 passive income every month. Number 6, becoming an online mock juror. Lawyers need practice before going on trial, and they pay everyday people like you to review cases and give feedback. Here are the steps to get started. Sign up on eJury or Online Verdict. Review cases and give your opinion. Get paid per case. The earning potentials is $5 to $60 per case, but some cases pay $60 or more for your feedback. Number 7, subtitling videos for content creators. You can get paid to add captions using free tools like CapCut or Veed.io. The steps to get started is to find clients on Fiverr or Upwork, use CapCut to auto-generate captions, deliver files, and get paid. This is an easy $100 per week side hustle. Number 8, writing viral Twitter threads. Brands and influencers pay big money for engaging Twitter threads. If you can research and write, this one is for you. The steps to get started, study viral Twitter threads. Offer writing services on Fiverr. Use ChatGPT to assist with content. One good thread can make $50 to $200. Number 9 is selling digital flashcards. Students are always looking for study guides and digital flashcards. They sell like crazy. The steps to get started is create study flashcards in Quizlet or Anki. ANKI. Sell them to students for $5 to $30 per set. Promote on Reddit and student forums. This is great for anyone with academic knowledge. And number 10 is selling Instagram carousel posts. Businesses need high quality Instagram posts, and carousel posts gets the most engagement. Here are the steps to get started. Use Canva to create a carousel post. Sell it to businesses for $10 to $50 per set. Offer packages for recurring income. This is super beginner friendly and profitable. So those are my 10 ways to make money online, beginner friendly, no experience needed. Basically, which one of these side hustles are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications for more ways to make money online like this. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe, and remember, you must hustle. See you on the next video.